The solution for this exercise, the first thing we need to do is rank the salespeople based on total sales. So we can use the rank function, and you'll see I'm going to say look at that total sales, compare it to that list with dollar signs. When I say OK, it tells me that this person was second in the list, which you can see is correct. You can copy it down. Now you'll notice here that there's 2 people on 4. This is going to cause a problem, but let's just continue. We're going to do a VLOOKUP. I'm going to say look up the person who's number 1. Where must it look it up? In this list here. Put our dollar signs on. What column must it bring through? I just want the person's name, so at the moment it's column 2. And I wanted to find an exact match, so I'm going to say false, and I'll say OK. When I copy it down, you'll see it looks like it's correct, but then it's got an NA. The reason for the NA, 2 people are 4, so the first person gets brought through. We're now looking for the 5th person, but there is no 5th person here. So in this case, you need to somehow create the rank that it's absolutely unique. So for whatever reason, if you've got a reason how people will be ranked, what we're going to do is just put a number, like a very small number. So I'm going to put 0.001. So all I'm doing is just creating a little number that can be used. The unique sales ranks, I'm going to say equals their total sales plus this unique identifier. So here, even if their rands are the same, there has to be a slight difference. The ranking, I'm going to say rather use that in there. When I copy and paste it, you'll see now each person is identified based on this and a trick we learned earlier. I'm just going to create some column references. Just change where the column index number is looking at. So instead of typing it 2, I'm going to say rather look up here. And because I'm going to copy it down, I'm going to say it must always look at the 12. And then just be careful if you are going to copy across. Notice that my lookup is saying A13. If I copy it across, it's going to go BC. I always wanted to look at the final ranking number I want. So I'm going to put a dollar sign in front of the A. When I say OK, I should be able to copy it down and across. And we get our details. And let's just check if it works. So I'm going to go and have that person there who's currently second sell 100 units. When I click enter, because their total sales are now higher, the ranking changes. Because the ranking changes, the VLOOKUP changes.